The next group of trucks we want to look at are of the straddle design, which are known as narrow aisle reach trucks. There are basically two types. The first is a single deep unit that operates in an 8'6" to 9' clear aisle, and the second type is a deep reach, or double deep as it is sometimes called. It has an extended reach and operates in a 9'6" to 10' aisle. Besides the straddles, these trucks differ from the counterbalance trucks in that they have a scissors-like attachment called a pantograph, which allows the forks to extend beyond the straddles. The key point we want to emphasize is that the standard single reach truck is like a counterbalance truck in this regard. The chassis of the counterbalance truck does not enter the rack. Floor storage is the usual way of storing pallets on the first level, so that we have pallets on the floor and beam levels above. The single deep reach truck operates in the same manner. Because of the reach mechanism, the straddles do not interfere with the pallets on the floor. However, the deep reach truck requires a beam level at the lowest level to allow straddles to pass underneath so that the operator can load or unload the second deep pallet in the rack. Another point we would like to emphasize is that the rule of thumb we use for counterbalance trucks, which is head length plus load length, etc., to determine usable aisle length, does not apply to the reach truck. The length of an average reach truck with a 48-inch deep pallet is approximately 104 inches. Driven like a counterbalance truck, it would take more than the recommended 108-inch aisle. But reach trucks are designed to be driven differently so that 9 foot works very easily. As seen in this video, the reach truck travels the innermost of the aisle and then makes a sharp right angled turn. On the other hand, the counterbalance truck swings to the outermost of the aisle to make its turn. As we pointed out in our overview section of this course, double deep rack is very similar to single selective rack, save for a few minor changes. That will be a subject of another short course that will be available from Material Handling Bootcamp.